Hi friends, welcome to Susan Terrace Garden. For more plant videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Today's video is about snake plant Sansevieria trifasciata or Dracena trifasciata. It is also called as Saint George sword, mother-in-law's tongue, and viper's bowstring hemp. This snake plant should be placed in indirect sunlight. Avoid direct sunlight as it can scorch the leaves. Regarding watering, allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. Snake plants are drought tolerant and prefer to be underwatered rather than overwatered. Water this plant twice in a month. Regarding soil, use well draining soil for your snake plant. A mix of sand soil, a mix of garden soil, and a mix of compost works well for this plant. Regarding pruning, trim off any yellow or dead leaves as needed to maintain the plant's appearance. Snake plants typically do not require much pruning, but removing spent leaves can help promote new growth. Regarding propagation, snake plants can be propagated easily by separating the plant's leaves and replant them in separate pots with well draining soil. You can also propagate this plant by placing them in water. Snake plant is an evergreen perennial plant forming dense strands spreading by way of its creeping rhizome. Snake plant's stiff leaves grow vertically from a basal rosette. Mature leaves are dark green with light grey green cross branding. Snake plant is an hardy and low maintenance plant. This is an indoor plant. This plant is known to be an air purifier, removing toxins from the air and improving indoor air quality. NASA study researchers found it specifically removes toxins such as xylene, toluene, and benzene from the air. Snake plant is a perfect choice for busy plant lovers. Bring home a snake plant today and enjoy its beauty and air purifying benefits. There are many varieties of snake plant. I have three varieties of snake plant of Sansevieria. The long leaf ones is called silver queen snake plant. The other one with yellow and green striped brands is called as black and gold snake plant. The small one with beautiful rosette shaped one is called as sunrise snake plant. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a joyful gardening.